The national government's 5 trillion peso budget for 2022 is touted to boost the local health system and lift the economy after a steep crash due to the COVID-19 crisis. The budget department says health and nutrition lead 3 priority areas under next year's budget, followed by social protection and better governance. However, many wonder why the health department is receiving only the 4th biggest allocation in the spending plan. As in previous years, the education sector will receive the lion's share at over 770 billion pesos, followed by the Public Works Department with more than 680 billion pesos.
On DepEd, or the education sector is under the Constitution, talagang dapat mauuna. Sa DPWH, there are a lot of ongoing projects that we have to cater. Diba? So talagang number 2 yan. Yung tatlo na yon historically talagang matataas ang budget. Kaya kumbaga, hirap makahabol ang DOH doon.
Funding for the Interior Department at 250 billion pesos is composed of salary and benefit payments, mainly for the Philippine National Police. Budget Department Officer in Charge Tina Canda clarifies support for the Department of Health is still higher. At 242 billion, it spells a 15% increase from this year's outlay.
Yung pa rin na vaccine, tapos yung mga assistance sa health sector, yun naman pa rin na malaki.
The proposal will also sustain the vaccine rollout, assist health workers and hospitals, and fund the creation of the Virology Institute of the Philippines. Meanwhile, a 45 billion peso allotment is on standby to purchase booster shots for COVID-19 vaccines. Canda says this will only push through if medical experts and the National Task Force find scientific basis to administer additional vaccine shots to boost people's protection against the coronavirus. DBM is preparing to submit the proposed 2022 budget to Congress on Monday, August 23rd, to meet their constitutional deadline. Even the printing of the budget volumes were affected by the ECQ in Metro Manila, but Canda says they are ready to defend the measure, which will also support the national roadmap for zero hunger and bigger funding for local governments. Melissa Lopez, CNN Philippines.